It has been a long, long time since I've had a Eureka moment like this with the Tech Deck. I really needed to get at this bash in the tailor. I wanted to bring that right up to nose level so I could pad some French polish on there and water sand it and smooth it out. But for all of you Tech Deck guys, I got to show you this. Okay, so the idea was to be able to hold the guitar straight up and down, like you see here. This works for the GPS unit only. I've been thinking about this for a while, and when this repair came up, I thought, okay, that's it. That's what we're doing. I have a male rail on the bottom. Like you've seen in some of the neck surgery videos, the female rail, the fastener protrudes through the floor and acts as a positive stop for the matching male sliding rail. Now there's another option here too. So when I index the top male rail, this slides down a lot lower. So I've ended up with kind of two levels of adjustment to hold the instrument vertically like that. Just pull that off. That's what we have. We've got two small portions of the male rail. We have the cinch hooks along the edge of the platform. I've basically split a pool noodle in half, and that creates that void between the rails that you see in all of the various versions of the Tech Deck. So just wanted to share that with you because I thought, you know, I still have the die for this leather. There, if any of you guys are interested, I'm getting a bunch of stampings done up next week for this next run of the GPS units. But I can bring that die with me and get some of these stamped out and these pillows kind of sewn up if you're interested. I would also send along some cinch hooks. And, you know, as far as the platform goes, I would let you do that yourself. It's just a piece of 1/2-inch plywood. You could use solid wood if you want to do that. If you need some of these male rails, let me know and I can kind of send out a package to you. I just had to show you that because it was such an inspiration. One of those rare maneuvers where you need to hold the guitar straight up and down like that. So now that problem is solved.